Hitbot, established in 2015, Millet Ecological Chain Enterprise, is a company engaged in collaborative robotic arms, electric gripper, intelligent linear actuator and provide automation solution, research and development, production, sales in one, national high-tech enterprises. After years of technology accumulation and industry segmentation, Hitbot becomes to be a leader of automation industry. Leading automation technology, top-tier company with extensive industry Hitbot sets R&D headquarters in Shenzhen, supply chain and marketing centers in Kangshan and Shenzhen, office and production area of 20,000 square meters, has automation and optical laboratories. More than 200 invention patents and certificates have been obtained, awarded with innovation and professionalism for new technology, honoring contracts and valuing credibility, obtained a variety of honors such as the top 50 in the robot industry, etc. Hitbot adheres to customer needs, focus on innovation, provide customers with smart gripping, with sophisticated movement products. These include electric grippers with a total travel of 4 to 120 mm, highly integrated intelligent linear actuator, highly free customization, flip deployable 4-axis robotic arm, inverted deployment of 4-axis robotic arm, 6-axis robot with operating range 622 to 1,400 mm, and integrated virtual platform software. From the dimensions of cost and application, lower the threshold of automation transformation of small and medium-sized enterprises in an efficient, low-cost, modular way. In an efficient, low-cost, modular manner, the company consistently adheres to using automation to change the world. After years of self-developed innovation and R&D experience for new retail, 6C electronics, life sciences and education applications, provide reliable products and solutions. Hitbot adheres to research and development, focus on innovation, adopt advanced IPD R&D management mode, equipped with multiple experimental test platforms in electric gripper, robotic arm, linear actuator and O's, with plenty of leading industry technologies. The company's production system meets 9001 2005 standard environmental management system ISO 14001 certification. Full range of products meet the international CE/FCC certification standard. The full test quality inspection mode is adopted with high standard, professional, intelligent production line. Provide competitive, safe and reliable products and services to global customers. For the future, Hitbot will thrive as before, adhere to the corporate mission of making automation easier, with smart gripping and precision motion technology, easy automation for customers, to provide industry customers with the ultimate cost-effective robot products and automation solutions, becomes leader of the new generation of automation industry.